it's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Bust through the doorway, in the 4th floor. Oh, you heard coming on, hit it now,
45, we're gonna get that 234.
234.
It's our first day. We need that practice.
Call me like, why you do that? I understand.
going out tonight. Starters with me. Ain't no displays, you feel what I'm saying? And we all doing numbers.
Bust through the doorway, in the 4-4. Oh, you heard what Papa don't hit it no more. You bottles, nigga.
Hey man, first time experience, it was great. I can say I did great.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna show you the videos.
For sure.
I come with proof.
Come with proof, boy. We say
I
stay
did
tuned.
great, and you know, people was cheering. It was a lot of people didn't expect it. But guess what? We thugged it out.
Thugged it out.
Yeah, hey, that's a wrap, man.
How you feeling?
Bro, I'm feeling good, man. At first, when we came in, I was kind of nervous, but you know, the energy was good. And
Oh, yeah.
went crazy, you know. We got it done, you know.
Got it done, man.
Crazy cheering, you know.
How did you feel when we was like first about to like walk on stage and shit?
Bro, I was so pumped, man. It's like I was on some drugs or something. The energy was crazy, you know. Just like walked up there, you know.
Oh yeah.
Did my thing, bro, and bro, it was amazing, man. It was amazing.
Let's do it. What we about to do after though?
Yeah, so yeah, right now, you know, we're just like done with this, so we're about to go get some food, you know, hit up a little party,
Yeah.
then call it a night, you know. It's
That's
not
not
over
bad.
yet.
It's not over yet. We gotta
not over
celebrate.
yet.
We gotta celebrate.
Yeah. And when we're changing clothes,
Oh yeah. The speed,
bro,
the speed.
bro. They say you got 30 seconds, bro. Imagine
30 seconds.
Bro, hey, we got it done on
got it
time
done.
too.
We got it down and on time.
Yeah. So now, bro, we gotta go pay this parking ticket and then we out.
Yep. Let's do it.
Go.